Today, we will discuss a very important topic under GST, that is pre-deposit for filing appeal under GST, whether can be paid from electronic credit ledger. Generally, the department insists that such payment should be paid through electronic cash ledger. But the judgments of the high courts say it differently. That is, these judgments say that such payment can be made through electronic credit ledger. In this regard, I will like to bring to your notice section 107, subsection 6, which reads as under. No appeal shall be filed under subsection 1 unless the appellant has paid in full such part of the amount of tax, interest, fine, fee, and penalty arising from the impugned order as admitted by him, and a sum equal to 10% of the remaining amount of tax in dispute arising from the said order, subject to a maximum of 25 crore rupees, in relation to which the appeal has been filed. So, this subsection 6 of section 107 clearly says that you have to deposit some amount while filing first appeal before the first appellate authority. Now, the question arises whether such payment can be made only through electronic cash ledger, or it can be made either through electronic cash ledger or through electronic credit ledger at the discretion of the assessee. The first judgment in this regard is Kiran Motors versus Additional Commissioner of Central Tax and GST Appeal 13 GLM 352, Odisha High Court. GLM means GST Legal Matters, which is a monthly journal which we publish regularly since 2017. Earlier it was published under the title Sales Tax Matters, which was published since 1999. We have explained the details about GST legal matters in our earlier video. You can see details of this monthly journal in our earlier video. The judgment which I mentioned is of Odisha High Court in Kiran Motor versus Regional Commissioner of Central Tax. Its number is WPC number 22817 of 2023, dated 10th August 2023. This judgment is delivered by Division Bench of the High Court. This judgment has relied upon a circular number 172/04/2222 2022 GST dated 6th July 2023. So, from this judgment, it is clear that such payment can be made through electronic credit ledger. Earlier, Odisha High Court has held that such payment can be made only through electronic cash ledger. That judgment was Jyoti Construction versus Deputy Commissioner of Central Tax, which was dated 7th October 2021. But at that time, this circular mentioned by me above was not in prevalence, was not issued by the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. So now the law is clear that such payment can be made through electronic credit ledger. Then there is another judgment of the Bombay High Court which says that such payment can be made through electronic credit ledger. This judgment is reported as 12 GLM 31, that is GST Legal Matters. This is writ petition ST number 23507 of 2022. In this judgment, the Honorable Bombay High Court has also held that such payment can be made through electronic credit ledger. The Bombay High Court has relied upon the circular which I mentioned above and also on the word paid, which has been used in subsection 6 of section 107. The Bombay High Court has held that as the word used is paid in this subsection and not deposited, so such payment can be made through electronic cash ledger, and it is through electronic credit ledger, and it is not necessary to deposit it through electronic cash ledger. So I think this this video will help you much while you file appeal before the first appellate authority. I would like that if you share, like and subscribe this video and follow me at this video. Thank you so much. Thank you.